Hello friends, today we discuss about Goods and Services Tax GSTR 4 Offline Tool Volume 1. Introduction to Excel based GSTR Offline Tool. Excel 1. The Excel GSTR 4 Offline Tool is designed to help taxpayers to prepare this GSTR 4 return offline. 2. Details for the following tables of GSTR 4 return can be added by taxpayers using the offline tool. 4A. Inward supplies received from the registered supplier. 4B. Inward supplies received from registered supplies attracting reverse charge. B2B. 4C. Inward supplies received from unregistered supplies. B2B UR. 4D. Import of services. 4D IMPS. 5A. Supplies information furnished in Table A of earlier returns. If details furnished earlier were incorrect, to be made available 3C3 return. 5B. Debit notes, credit notes, registered dealers. 5B. Debit note, credit notes, unregistered. 5C. Debit notes, credit notes, amendment of debit notes, credit notes furnished in earlier period. 6. Tax on outward supplies made net of advance and goods return. 6. Tax on outward supplies made net of advance and goods returned. 7. Amendment to outward supply details furnished in return of earlier tax period. 8A. Advance amount paid for reverse charge supplies in the tax period. 8B. Advance amount on inward tax was paid in earlier period but invoice has been received in the current month. 8.2. Amendment of information furnished in table number 8.1 earlier quarter to be made available from quarter 3 return period of the year. 9. TDS credit received not applicable till notified. Please note 5B debit note, credit note original has been divided in two subsections. 3. The offline tool has following features to help taxpayers in return preparation. Open the download GSTR4 JSON file to open GSTR return details file downloaded from GSTR portal. Generate GSTR file to open to generate JSON file for update GSTR4 return details prepared offline on the GST portal. Validated sheet. The validation of the data entered in respective worksheet of the offline tool successful validation is notified to taxpayer via pop-up. While pop-up failed to validate the cells of the fall, validation would be once the offline tool filled it has to submitted on online portal of the GSTR website. Then you will receive the successfully filed message. If there is any wrong data filed mistakes, then offline tool indicates unsuccessful message. Thank you very much.